Want to keep your car protected with a dash cam but don't want to pay for installation? In this video, I'll show you how to easily install a dash cam yourself, step by step. I did this in under 15 minutes with no special tools and no complicated wiring. Just a simple setup for crystal clear footage on the road. Here are the supplies I used. Now, don't let this drill scare you. I ended up not using it. The dash cam I'm using is the Viofo A119 V3 dash cam. Now, most dash cam setups require running long wires through your car, and that's what makes installation time-consuming and costly. But we're going to avoid that by using this little gadget, called the FitDVR Power adapter. It plugs right into your rearview mirror for a fast, clean, and easy setup. First, remove the cover that's around the rearview mirror. It's attached with clips, so it snaps off. We're accessing the power source of the vehicle's front camera. Alright, next, unplug the camera wiring using the blue pry tool. Plug in the adapter that came with the FitDVR. Plug the camera's wire in the adapter. And just like that, you have just finished the hardest part of this installation. Now put the cover back on. As you can see, I left some of the cord showing, but you should push more of the cord in at this step. As you'll see in a minute, I ended up tucking in more of the cord. Next, attach the FitDVR to the window. Then, attach the dash cam to your window using your 3M Velcro. Use the provided power cord to connect your dash cam to the FitDVR. The dash cam is now fully powered. And I wanted to show you, on this model, you can easily adjust the view. I did go back, opened the cover, and pushed more of the cord inside. Wasn't that simple? This is definitely something you can do by yourself at home and save some money. Safe driving.